medical cannabis care. They produce CBD oil of pharmaceutical quality. The pharmacist of CCC came to Aruba to give a lecture for the doctors, specialists, and pharmacists and their assistants. And they also have a support. They can log in on a website, and there they can find information and also get answers to their questions. So then they know if they are unknown about something.
Of course.
They can just find the right person in place to guide them through the process if a patient has a particular question.
Oh, that's nice. It's great that you bring information like this to be sure that everyone is aware of what they can offer and what the best patients can ask as well. So please tell me more. CBD oil.
Yeah. So what we are standing for is, of course, the pharmaceutical quality, and that's why it's only available in the boticas. So it's under the supervision of the pharmacist, so people can enter the botica, go to the recepteur and ask for it, and that's the place to be, the persons to be to get started with CBD or get guidance through the process.
Yes, and remember to ask for CBD oil from Medcore Trading, so you can be sure to get this pharmaceutical quality.
Yes.
This is really important.
Yes, yeah, of course, something about our product self. It's a fact that CBD is widely available over the world. You have a different kind of qualities. You can find it online, illegal, or abroad. And it's from pharmaceutical quality. And then you have products of questionable composition.
Yes.
So it's a big challenge to find a good one.
Of course.
And to be sure what the quality is. So our CBD oil that we have is pure. It's only CBD, and CBD is standing for cannabidiol. It's just one of the cannabinoids that is in the plant cannabis.
Yes.
So there are more than 100 cannabinoids, but the CBD is the one that is no psychoactive, or you cannot get addictive, or you don't get drowsiness. You don't get drowsiness. So CBD, most people think, oh, see, cannabis, it's high, it's weed, it's party, it's nothing for me. It's absolutely not the compound in the CBD oil. CBD oil is just the one that doesn't give you those effects. So the TH is less than 0.05%.
Wow.
And THC is standing for that addictive, that psychoactive cannabinoid. CBD and THC are the most studied and known cannabinoids. So that's why we choose for pure CBD, because there's a lot of information. There are a lot of studies who are telling and giving the effects, what people want to see, of course.
Yes.
Furthermore, there's just the pharmaceutical quality, and it's free from impurities because it meets the highest standards. That's where pharmaceutical quality stands from the beginning till the end. Everything is controlled. So the raw material that they use, it's controlled. It's not the end product like a lot of CBDs. That's the one that is controlled. And then you don't know what happens in the beginning. Just that's very important too. The intake of the CBD oils occurs by sublingual droplets. So you use it underneath your tongue, because it's the most efficient way to use CBD oil to get the most of concentration in your blood. So it's like through the mucosa of the mouth. Furthermore, what's important? We have small bottles, big bottles, 10 cc, 30 cc. So if you use it only once a day, for example, just for going to bed, for sleep problems, to get a deeper sleep or a better sleep, longer sleep, you just use it once a day. Then 10 cc is good.
Will suffice.
Yes, and then the 30 cc's for the people who are looking for CBD during the day. So they can use it 3 times a day, like every 8 hours is a good way to take the droplets. And then furthermore, we try to do our best to get the sharpest price.
Of course.
Although CBD is not cheap,
Yeah.
a good CBD cannot be cheap. So,
No, exactly.
There was
You
a
pay for quality.
yes, and there was a woman. Oh no, I can have it less expensive there and there and there. So okay,
Of course.
that's true. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can find a lot on the world today. But if you want to be sure,
Yeah.
you want to have something pure and something that you can rely on,
Exactly.
then then you have to pay for the quality,
Yeah.
like you
No,
were
understandable.
saying.
Understandable.
Yes, and a good thing that people have to know if keep the bottle in a cool, dark place.
Okay.
So not in the sunshine or to room temperature is
Yeah.
is good enough. And then further, the C word, cannabis. Everybody's like, oh, like I was saying, we're getting high and it's dangerous, and it's CBD, it's cannabidiol. You can find it or do your research. It's the no addictive, it's no psychoactive, so that's very important to know. Also, if you donate blood or you have to do a drug test for your employee,
This is
don't
safe.
be afraid. It is safe. And if you need more information, there's a user guide with a bottle in Dutch, but you can find it on our website, medcoretrading.com, in English too. So that's maybe a good thing to know. If you want to look something up, go to our website, medcoretrading.com, and you find the user guides, because the CBD that we are using is by droplets, not a whole pipette or
No.
whatever, because CBD is very personal.
Okay.
You have different kind of pains or
Yeah,
different
exactly.
kind of indications. So the journey is to find your own dosage.
yeah.
Yes, and if you need help, go to the pharmacy. Pharmacist
Exactly.
assistant or the pharmacist can help you with that. And we will try to do our best to make more communication or more information so people can find a platform to ask their questions, so they can find answers to
Of
that
course.
all.
That is very important. I would like to thank you for being here today and for giving us this important information. And of course, I would like to put a little bit of extra focus on, if you are interested in starting with CBD oil by Medcore Trading, go to your favorite botica and ask for it by name. And especially, of course, talk about everything you're already doing so they can guide you properly.
Yes.
This is very important.
Perfect.
Thank you
Yes.
for being here.
You're welcome. Thank you.